Winter sports have gained popularity in China's southernmost tropical province of Hainan as the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games is just around the corner.
I'm now in Haikou, capital of South China's Hainan province. As we know, Hainan is in the southernmost in China, so it's really snow all year round. Some local people here may not see snow in their whole life. Actually, I'm now in a special place in Hainan. It's called Ski Now. It's an indoor ski training club for enthusiastic skiers to play. Follow me and take a look.
目前我们接待游客及学员大概2万多人，然后目前学员的大概500多人吧，然后年龄从4岁到45岁都有。
咱们国家的冬奥会马上要举办了，我觉得学员的热情，对于冰雪运动的热情还是非常高涨的。即使在海南一个这么热的地方，我也能够感觉到很多人越来越愿意去了解这个冰雪运动了。
I've been looking for a place where I could get to know ski, do some practice, and maybe if I'm lucky, I could find some lifelong friends, build some new connection with people in a place. And most important, I want to find a place is near my house, not really far from. So I'm very lucky to find a place here. I guess it's the ideal place where I could meet all my requirements I mentioned above.